Welcome to iTech Study Path. This is SBK. Last video, uh, I was discussing what that we were discussing prepare statement. Prepare statement we were discussing. In the prepare statement, we completed like inserting the record by using prepare statement inside the database, and we also discussed what is that how to insert or upload the image file inside the database. If you in last session search on YouTube, search YouTube here inside YouTube. Wait, my net is little bit slow. Wait, yeah. Now search here. What is that? iTrick iTrick study bar. ITRIK study STUDY path. Study park and search this channel iTrick study park and watch this video. What is that video name? Video 15 advanced Java uploading insert image inside the database. Go and watch. So this is all about our channel. So go, and today's discussion is I will retrieve. It means download the image from the database. Download the image from the database, and also discussing, if time is possible, I will discussing one more callable statement in this session. But I will show you two way how to retrieve the data. How to retrieve the data inside the database means to upload the file inside the from the database. Upload a file, download a file from the database. I will show you two ways. Two project I will develop, two program I will write. Okay, or you will get more clarity. But now, so today's topic is one more thing I want to tell you. Those who watched last video, what we discussed in next video. After this session, I will prepare one mini project, character user interface based, like update, delete, and search and insert also. Okay, if it is possible, then I will show you how to insert the image also by using by providing the path of the image. You can insert it. Okay, but don't miss next video. Okay, go and please subscribe the channel so you will get this video also. I take a study process. Now in this video we will discuss two ways. Two way I will discuss two way to insert, two way to download or retrieve image from database, the Oracle. So now here I am first of all. Oh, this is the last program, inserting the image. Okay, here I will prepare. First, I want to write some points so you can note down. Use pen and paper. So these points are very important point to developing our application. Okay, first approach. Okay, I will show you both two ways to insert image. First, write down this point, please. Okay, take pen and paper. So write down these points. You will get more clarity when you revise. When you note down each and every point. Should not require to watch the video again and again on YouTube and go and start wasting your net and wasting your time. Just watch one time and prepare a note. That's it. Okay. Retrieving, 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 retrieving an image. Retrieving an image is nothing but what is that? Nothing but right? Nothing but reading binary data of an image. Okay. Here from database table, from database or table or table statement. Okay. Now, second point is to retrieve, to retrieve, to retrieve an image. Also, we must use what is that prepare statement, prepare statement of JDBC. Now, next point is when we select an image, when we select or access image, then it means what is the mean? It means binary data will binary data result will be stored. Binary data result will be stored in result set object. Result set object. Okay. Now next point is what is that? If you retrieving the data as a binary, we need one method to read to read binary data to read for reading read the binary data from result set result set object. We will use what is that? Get binary binary stream method. Okay. Now next point is get binary method. What is that get binary method? Get binary stream method reads bytes from result set and stores them in input stream. Where store? Input stream. Get binary stream method reads bytes data from result set and store where input stream. In programming, when I will develop one program by using these statement, then you will get clarity. So please write down each and every point. Okay. So input stream and then returns input stream object. Input stream object. That's it. Now to write the byte data. Now point is that where you to read the data read the data from the from the result set by using get binary stream. So to to write the data, to write bytes into a file, we need to create a file output stream object. Output stream object. File output stream object. We need what? File output stream object. That's it. Now then we need to read what is that? One by one we need to read one by one bytes from input input stream object. We need to read bytes one by one, not at a time. Okay, not all bytes at a time. We need to read one by one. Okay, one by one till end. Till end means till end. Till end. Up to the file, not end. Of the file of bytes. Means -1. When we will get inside the file -1, that means no byte is existed in the inside the file. Okay. Now, and we need to write we need to write the bytes into file. That's it. These are the total statement to prepare one retrieving logic. Okay. So don't waste our time and your time. Go and Eclipse ID, prepare application. So now one more time I'm preparing new application. So we will get, if you are watching newly, so don't think you cannot do the practical. So simply you can do it. New, hit other, Java project, next. Here, project 3, what is the JDBC app, retrieving image, downloading image. I am using Java 11 version. That's it. Next. Not required to here do anything. Just click next, and finish. Click next. It's your choice, and click next. It's also your choice. You wait some more time. It's preparing your project. Yeah, so okay, finish. I don't want to create module name. No, I don't want to open perspective or okay. Now your project is ready. First of all, import jar file. So how to import jar file uh, taught you in the last session, but I want to tell you in this session also. So click on project right. Okay. Hmm. My system little bit slow here. So please wait. Ah, okay, click on right and simple. Search here build path and configuration build path. And simple class path, select class path, don't select module path, just select class path and add external jar where you installed your JDBC, Oracle JDBC software like Java database. So go there and you will get one app folder. In my case, observe carefully. In my case, my database is stored in this drive. So go D drive and app SBK. This is my name, product and product 11.2 domain and hit simple J, press J, and you will get one folder called JDBC, this folder. So run lib, select here one jar file, OJDBC 6 jar. These jars are not required. Okay, just select open, simple apply and place. So you will get one more folder in your project. What is that folder name is referenced libraries. So now here I want to create one package. We want to create separate package, otherwise with class. Okay, com dot itsp technologies. So now here retrieving, download image. That's it. I want main method, just click main method and finish. Okay. Now our class is ready to implement. Just do same steps, registering and loading the driver to class. This is the optional, but write the class dot for name method. For name method in JDBC Oracle database, Oracle dot JDBC dot Oracle driver. That's it. Now, next thing is what is that? Why it's giving the error? Let me check it also. Unable to, okay, throws the exception. Otherwise, I'm initial stage. Just I am using throws keyword. Throw. Bypass the exception. Okay, EX. Bypass the exception, the caller method. Okay, just it. Now establish the connection. On equals to driver manager dot get connection, passing that URL JDBC colon Oracle colon in colon at the rate localhost colon 1521 at the rate ORCL. Sorry, ORCL my service name, and password is my username in my database system, and password is also system. So simple. And your connection is ready. Connection is established. Now here you can prepare a statement. Otherwise you can prepare next. But I want to prepare here. Prepared statement. First you prepared one query. Up here, whatever you want. I want to get the data from the database. The simple write down. Okay. Image purpose, image column. We write some code. Then it's it. So we get only image data, na? We get only image data. So we write, what is that? String, query type is string, SQL equals to select. I want only image data. Yes, image, I think so. I want to check SQL. In study session, use, I think, yes, image is the column name. Na? Let me check. System slash system. That lack start from insert image. Yeah, insert image. I think this is the good. Yes name. Yes image is the column name. So simple. Yes image. Yes image from insert, from this table insert image table where SID equals to simple question. Your query is ready. So now prepare the statement. Prepared PST equals to con dot prepare statement. Con dot prepare statement. Pass the SQL query. Simple. Pass down. Now start pass the query. Then pass PST dot set which data you want. Set in column number 1, and I want 101 PNG. Okay. So here, yes. Next thing, what is that? I want to get all the records now from this statement. So simple, execute the query, PST dot execute query method. This is the non-select query. This is the select query. That's why we are using execute query method. Execute query method. Execute query method prepare statement. What is that? Return type is result set. You can see, you can also read this. A result set object contain the data product by the query neighbor through the SQL system or SQL timeout exception. Okay, return type is result set. Simple. Click. Okay, now return type is result set. Control Shift plus import the result set. I think that's it. Result set. Yes. Now you're getting the data inside the results. Okay. Now I want to read the data, all data, rs dot next. What is that method is next? Go into the next and next kind of thing. Na? That's why we are using next. Next. And simple, prepare input stream. rs dot get binary stream. Get binary stream column number, pass the column number, which column you want to get the binary stream. I want to one, only one column is existed, one not one, that's why passing here. And this binary get binary string is return type is I want to store inside the input stream. Input, right into the input stream. Input stream is simple. Input stream, that's it. You get the data, you store the data inside the binary data, store inside the is. Right. Getting the data from the result set, getting the data from the result set and storing from is. Okay. Now, next is I want to read. I want to store these binary data inside the file. So I want to open one file output stream, output stream, file output stream, file output stream, FOS equals to new file output stream. Pass the file name where you want to store the file. I want to store the file here. Where create one folder, images. That's it. And copy that path, Control C, and simple paste here. Okay, and slash write the file name. Suppose notes. I want to write notes.png. PNG. That's it. Now your file will come inside this folder, inside image folder, and this notes.png. You will get it. And file inside, read the inside the FOS file of this. That's it. Now next is what is that? Read the data until not getting -1. So we have to take one variable like j. Take one variable like j. For local variable, it's taking, the Java basic. If you are declare local variable, then automatically not required to initialize with the 0. It's take default value, so not required to. So here we provide one condition. K, we are taking j, j equals to age. J is is dot read. Assign to the read is into the j, not equals to j until not equals to -1, until not equals to -1. Okay. Then write file output stream right inside the j variable, right inside the j. That's it. Okay. Then simple print one statement. That's out. Right. Image download. Load successful. That's it. Successful. Successful. That's it. And now next, close the rs dot close method. I want to close pst dot close, and also pst dot close and close con dot also close. Do the closing. This is the little bit logic is confusing, I think so, na? So that's why I will tell you some next concept also. This is the very easy, but this is the very easy to insert retrieving the image. First, what we are doing here. First, prepare the statement with the SQL query. Then set the this I want to this column record 101. So simple. PST dot execute query method. Its execute query method return type is result set object. So store inside the result set. Inside the result set, if you want to read the data one by one, so next to next, so use next method. So reading the data in the next. So I want to get the data from the result set. Data from the result set as a binary. So use one method called get binary stream. So we get the data as a binary and store inside the input stream. So this is stream is storing the binary data. So I want to write the binary data inside some files. So we use one file output stream object and simple create one file with the note this object creating this file, also, or and next is create one local variable for the initializing the reading data from the is, where is this is not related to storing the data, just opening the one file and creating one file like this. Now this logic is total retrieving the image and writing to this logic, and this logic is writing to the data inside the node.png file. Okay, until not getting -1. -1 means file is empty, there is nothing data, that's why. Okay, now simple image is downloading, message is printing. While this loop is completed, this will execute. Now let's test data is coming or not. I hope, finger crossed. So right click on the project, right click and run as Java application. What happened? Wait. Running, I think. Huh? Yeah. Image download successfully. You will get the message. So let's check image is, yeah, no, image is coming or not coming. Now you pin on Paintbrush. This is the last class example. Be inserted by select careers, I think so. Somewhere I took this session, no? Advanced Java, yeah. This one, first session. Okay. Now, image is coming or not? This is the very simple example. I want to paste the example. Okay. So I write down some point. Okay. This for what is this for? reading, writing, uh, writing the data, writing the binary data, the bytes, binary data into file. Okay. That's it. And this for creating the nodes.png file. Okay. This for hmm, this for getting binary, it means getting bytes, gets binary data from RS, means result set RS, and store where IS as a byte. IS is a bytes as a byte inside the input stream. Uh, Both are same and simple. This is the first example. Okay. Now I want to show you one more thing, one more way to inserting the record. This is also simple way, not required to do anything. So create one more project, new class. Yeah. Download, retrieve image. I want main method for this also. All possible cases I will show you either practically. Okay. So now same thing you can do it. Not required to do all these things. So just copy and paste this, and this are same. This also same. Okay. Just logic wise is different. Okay. And remaining thing are same. Control C throw. Whatever. Okay. Rules. Rules. That's it. Now, main logic start here. This is the very good logic for you guys. Okay. So then you get the data. You get the execute the pst dot execute query method. Execute query method call. Execute query method and pass the SQL query. SQL query. That's it. Passing the SQL query and holding the data called storing, initializing the data inside the why we call execute query method result set RS. That's it. Now, now I want to read the data until not false. So simple checking if rs dot next method. Next method is do what is the do until is not false else means here we write one statement called here we write a statement like like image not found, huh? Yeah, image not found, image not found. It means if execute this, if rs having something, rs having something, this means it's true, then execute this. Suppose RAS returning nothing, RAS having nothing, this statement returning nothing to the RAS, RAS means result set, then the statement is false, then this block will not execute, this block will execute and print simple image not found. So I want to write the logic here. Which logic? To retrieving the image data, from the database. Okay. So one object is there, blob. Blob is present in the java.sql package. What is the representation mapping in the Java programming method in the interface methods in the interface callable and prepare statements at the get blob with the set blob, also programmer access. These method also there, get blob and set blob. So here what is that? Image. Suppose image img equals to, right, rs dot get blob. I want to know getting the data blob. Int which column? Passing the int, passing the integer. We have lots of methods. No, this method is not. Get blob string label int context. Okay. Now here you can pass one. I want also image length. I want image length. So img dot, you can pass also length. Image dot length. How much length is there? So returning, but it's having int. So here you can typecast int. It is not possible. Why? Let's say, but it should be possible to learn. It's not possible. The method get block in type result set is not applicable for the argument to intent int. Okay, get blob is okay. Here we not providing this logic. Here only one I want to provide. What is that? Get blob. Get blob. Here three. Why? Because how it's right. Img dot rs dot get blob. Get blob method is the index column, passing the index column 3. That's it. Let me write it. Okay, blob to blob. It's not returning, I think so. Okay, it's blob. Oh, now it's okay. Control Shift O. I'm taking wrong interface. Okay. So now you're getting the data. Why I passed here 3? Because image is existing which column? In the 3 column, third column. That's why I passed. It's particular for the column, blob column. Blob means binary large object. Okay, now it's existed. I want to read the byte one by one. So one image dot get byte method is there. Get bytes, get byte. Long position here, pass the position. What is that? 1, and length also here is required. Here is length is required. That's why I forgot to write length here. Okay, by using image dot get image dot length. Image dot length method is there. I want to typecast. Why? Because it's returning in type length. So now it's good. So now store inside that, it's returning, and store inside the byte array. With that byte array, using array, byte array. Bytes is not get bytes, it's return type of array. Why? Because this file img file having lots of bytes. Okay, so that's why we are storing inside the byte array. Next is open one file, simple, using this statement, file output stream, file output stream FOS equals to new file output stream. Okay, pass the file path here. I want to delete the path. I want to delete the file here. Okay, delete it and simple. Copy the path. Provide the path here. Okay, provide the path here. Path and slash slash double slash if you are using backslash or using single slash. Like previous notes, I think is that time I'm preparing one ADB intro.png intro.png. That's it. Intro.png and getting the data. Then FOS dot write byte data. Byte ARR. Which data are there inside the byte array? Write all data inside the FOS file. This is easy. Yeah. Now, after that FOS, you can flash and close whatever you want, you can do it. So better to close the file for security purpose. Plus plus method is there. FOS plus the data. Plus the data. Close it. And plus out. Write down one statement. Successful download or download. Simple download. Download. Success. Okay. Now, this is the total example. I want to repeat one more time so we'll get clarity. With the same statement, okay, prepare statement is up to the same. Just this logic is the difference. That's it. This one and this one. I will teach all these points. Okay. If what I have knowledge, this type of knowledge I have. Oh, remember one thing. If you strong in core Java, then you can understand easily. This is the core Java code. Okay. Getting the blob data inside the image blob. Okay. Getting the column. I want to get the length of the string. Suppose we have 10 byte data inside the. So I want to not 10 byte all the data. So using get byte method to store one by one here inside the AR method. So I want to we need one file to write the data. We need to one file to write the data like byte data, binary data inside the file. So open one file intro.png and write by using write method which are existed in the FOS class and write here and simple flash the method, close the FOS. Then all the statement here you can close like est dot close paste statement close method and count dot close. That's it. I hope finger crossed to run this successfully. To run on the browser. Image is okay. What is that error? SQL exception error. Unsupported network data type. Okay, which type of error? Unsupported main. Aura dot unsupported network data type or representation. May happen this type of error. Where? Let me check. Which line? Okay, bit. Execute select star image. Table name is good, I think so. No? Table name is same, na? Table name is same here. What is that error? PST dot where? Okay. Okay. Here we are passing only, na? I want to hold it. Oh, one very good mistake, na? Here we are reading all the data, na? We are not reading a particular data. We are reading all data and only one column we record. That's why we pass the query. Just try. Finger toast. Okay, same at I think so. By that. Check. Logic is select star from query where image where SID constitutional code JDBC code is that replace statement we created path the SQL query. Okay. And set the data which you want, one not one inside that. Okay. Create one result side IO PST dot execute query. That's it. I think rs dot next blob rs dot get blob three and br dot ar dot image get bytes into the bun image dot get length method. Open one file. Okay. File output is same. Okay. Okay. Right. Yeah. All these are good. Yeah. What happened? Mm, let's try one more time. File is created or not? Unsupported network data type. I think it's here is getting it. Blob. We have any alternative to use? Mm, use white get white string. GF file. Good. Yeah, what these things are good. Blob. Rs.next in. Yeah, there is inside the database error is there. So we same query we written some table like some we are facing some like blob related error. Now we resolve the problem. Code is same. Code is not changed here. Remaining codes are same. So try to run. Okay, let's control F11. Then download successfully. Then you will get file in this location d advanced java on the image itrick.png will get it here. Will get try to delete the png one more time. Okay, delete it. Now file is deleted. Try to execute one more time to change the name of the file. So itsp itsp technology. Okay, that png or gpg whatever you want you can download. So run, otherwise click on this button, or otherwise right click and run Java application. Download successful. So check here, images ITSP is coming or not. Coming or not? But that's it. This is all about, this is two ways to retrieve the image from the database. This is the logic, it's very good logic. Okay. If you want, then I will show one more thing. The time is okay. We will meet next session. Okay. So I will prepare one very good before that. Can I discuss callable statement? I think not required to discuss right now. First, we will prepare one mini project like GUI based. Character user interface, insert, update, delete, and search. Next session, we will see this, and then we will go further. Like we have seen all this query like update, delete, insert, and search. We have seen all these queries. So first we prepare one mini project, then we will go next further JDBCs. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you miss any videos, go on my YouTube channel, ITK Study File. So we will watch. You can watch. So thank you for watching. I will. Okay, 1 minute. Let's see. Yes. Okay, I'm sharing the project with you guys. Okay. Okay. First way. The first way. Here you can write. I'm writing. First way. First way to retrieve, to download image from database. First way or the logic, it depends on logic. Okay. First way to download file from the database. And this is the I want to. I'm writing here. Second way to download file, download image from database. I'm sharing the code here. Yes. This logic is important. Okay. This one. Okay. This logic. Total logic for the retrieving the data and reminding us same. Okay. That's it. That's all. Thank you. Thank you. I will share this notes on my Telegram channel. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me. We will meet next session.